If you want to rename files in your iPhone or iPad's Photos app or camera roll, don't worry, I've got you covered. While the Photos app doesn't directly allow renaming files, there's a workaround you can use. Here's how to do it. How to rename files and photos on iPhone or iPad's camera roll. Option 1. Using the Files app. Save the photos to Files. Open the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. Find the photos or video you want to rename. Tap the share icon, a square with an arrow pointing up. Scroll down and tap Save to Files. Here you can rename it while saving the photos or videos. Choose a location in the Files app and tap Save. Rename the file in Files. Open the Files app. Navigate to the folder where you saved the photo or video. Tap and hold the file you want to rename. Choose Rename from the context menu. Enter the new name and tap Done. By following these steps, you can effectively rename files in your iPhone or iPad's Photos app or camera roll. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.